Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis updated commodities. We'll work our way through the dollar, yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions as we go through it, and if you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com, where I dive deeper into all these topics, subjects, sectors, looking for investment opportunities and sharing those opportunities with everyone in the community. I do that through midweek updates and Q&A sessions on the weekend. We have a special going on. Special is the coupon code. You get 50% off the first month on the monthly membership. It's first month only, and a $100 discount on the yearly membership if you'd like to sign up for a year. All right, let's dive in, see what's going on today. Starting with the DXY, and we've got strength. So is this going to be a double bottom? Kind of looks like it to me. We've got follow through today. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't the strongest of strong, but it wasn't weak either. So I think it looks okay. We're trying to put in a double bottom perhaps, and maybe we can break higher. And that's generally coupled with yields that are going up. I know, up. We just cut interest rates, Andy. I know. Yields could go up. So the 2-year yield's up 0.7%, and that looks like it's going to try to go higher here. This is a double bottom here, where we bottom with a bullish engulfing, and then we bottom here with not much selling pressure coming through here. So we could go higher on both the DXY and on yields here. The 10 years also up. Looks like it's trying to bottom here. We'll see what follow through we get, if we get good follow through. And the 30-year also up 1%. Now, this doesn't mean that we go straight up. We could do something like this and turn back over. We could create some pattern. Again, we'll see what happens real early in this. We'll call it leg higher here, and we'll see what happens. TLT bond prices are down 1% as yields go up, bond prices go down, and this isn't a big downtrend. We did have a counter trend rally going on these past 2 weeks or whatever, so we'll see if we get an action that looks something like this, where we come up and then we do something like that and then go higher. I don't know what it looks like yet, but we're getting a little bit of short-term selling pressure in the bond market. 2 and the 10 down a little bit, but again, we're not flying lower here. So whenever you see these small candlesticks like this inside the big boys, those are generally patterns that go upward. So the curve could reinvert. If the curve reinverts while interest rates go up, what that tells you is that you're in a certain market condition, inflationary market condition, most likely. And that the recession deflation people are wrong. If it does that. TYX, TNX ratio is up just a teeny bit today. We had stronger dollar, stronger yields. The way that the yield curve moved, not that we're not getting a tailwind behind gold. So gold was down $40 an ounce. Small selling pressure here. I don't think that this is some gigantic top. If it's a top, what you generally see is big wicks at the top of candlesticks. And then you'll see a candlestick down here. So you get like a big wick at the top there. You'll see a really big reversal candlestick. So usually you'll get, actually we could probably just go back in time. So you'll get like a big reversal candlestick. So you go up, and then you'll get some big selling pressure. You'll get some wicks at the top there, and then you get big selling pressure candlestick, and then small greens. And it can't fight to go back up. So that can indicate a potential top. But this wasn't like super obvious to me here. You even have kind of a falling wedge there and a breakout. And then we just rolled over there. So I don't see a ton of selling pressure here where we're putting in gigantic selling pressure candlesticks. It still looks fine. Silver down a little bit, but again, we're back to support. Again, I think this all looks good to continue higher. Platinum's up 1.6, bouncing off support, looking good. That could be considered a bullish piercing pattern. The candlestick before it, which is a bullish formation. Palladium up a little bit. And again, I think we're fine here. I don't see a ton of selling pressure, no reversal candlesticks. We are up against resistance. We're trying to make progress against that resistance. For the most part, we'll bust through with time. XEU to gold ratio, we're up a little bit. Gold and silver mining companies outperforming gold, and we're still at ridiculously low levels where the gold and silver mining companies are cheap. GDX up 0.18%. Still looks good. I don't really see any problems here. There's no big reversal candlesticks, nothing like that. I mean, this is a reversal candlestick here, but I don't think it's going to be like a big one. Usually you'll get like a big wick at the top and it's a very large selling pressure candlestick. It doesn't feel like that. GDXJ, very similar. So we're consolidating is what we're doing. And then SILJ is down 0.5%. And there's buyers that come in and put a wick at the bottom. So this isn't a huge selling pressure move or anything like that. Crude oil down 1%. We've been chopping sideways for a while. We're still squeezing into this corner here. We're getting there. It's just taking time. Just taking time. TTF gas up 1.4. I think this looks bullish. Think of this as kind of like pennant formation trying to break. So that looks good to go higher. Natural gas in America down 5%, a little bit more selling pressure today. We are coming into the season where it's a little bit weaker, where we're between heating and cooling season. Sometimes natural gas prices like to meander sideways or slightly lower. Boy, XOP, yeah, you know me, down a little bit. Now, am I supposed to get bearish because we're down? No, we're bullish. We're sitting on top of this flag pattern. There's your flag pattern there. And we're looking good to go higher. Not much selling pressure. OIH up 0.77%. It's just chopping sideways for the most part, consolidating. I still think we have a good chance of going higher. Breaking through that resistance there and coming on up. Let's see if we can do that. Now, if we are in a recession and things get kind of nasty, we would see this sell off and we would see it with some selling pressure like this. Could that come? It could, but we're going to see it. I don't see it yet, so still looks okay. Newcastle coal futures up 1.3%, looking good. Looking like it's trying to put in a bottom here. Raw physical uranium trust up 0.35% today. It looks okay. I don't see anything to worry about. We're above this pattern here. I remain bullish. The uranium futures pricing heading on up today, 0.3% or so. And again, I remain bullish. URA trading higher, 2.6%. And longer term looks ridiculously good. Ridiculously good. Look at that thing. If you're bearish, slap yourself. My goodness. Looks fantastic. Longer term. URANIUM up 0.4%. It's holding on. It's consolidating a little bit. Digesting this gigantic move. Still looks good to go higher. URANJ, same thing. Same thing. We've got nickel down slightly. We got tons of volatility in nickel. What is going on here? But we're still chopping sideways here. Still looks good. We've got copper down slightly. No huge selling pressure. It looks fine. We haven't broken through any of these like lows there, so it's looking good. COPX down a little bit. We're coming back with just small selling pressure. That is bullish to go higher. If it's bearish, we'd see the big boy candlesticks break out and we would be sending it lower. Lithium down 0.06%, still looks good. Just a small little candlestick. We're in an uptrend. It looks good. Same with REMX. Just a little consolidation going on. And I'm sure we'll break it to the upside, but we were up a teeny bit today, 0.15. Iron ore up a little bit, but again, we've been consolidating. I drew that a while back, and that is a bullish formation to break higher. Aluminum Aluminum's at 26.92. We are staying above 26.50. I love it. We're going higher, boys. We're going higher. This is your breakout retest. And then we'll see if we can get the legs underneath us to get running. It looks good. You can also draw kind of a squeeze up like that. Is it possible that we could come back and loop or do something? It is possible. I'm not saying we can't. Baltic Dry Index up 1.2. That's in full bull mode. It is bullish. Nothing but bull here, baby. Looking good. Emerging markets down with the stronger dollar today. Is it a reversal? No, we're good. It sold off in the beginning and then got bought back up throughout the day. It looks fantastic. Moo up 0.15, still underneath that stupid resistance. We'll break it. Give it time. I got nothing but time, says, what was that, Dom? In Fast and Furious 3 at the end. Carry, 2.7%, looking good. We're going higher. Why? These are all bullish patterns. All this in here. XHB, bullish pattern, falling wedge, pennant. It doesn't matter what you call it. It's angled downward. It's going higher. Russell up 2.5. That's breaking out of its little wedge. It's wedging on up. Looking good. S&P up higher, 0.5%. NASDAQ up 1%, going higher, looking good, feeling good. We got the Dow Jones Transportation squeezing up, looking good to break higher. No bearishness there. We've got XLI up 1%, breaking higher. That's going higher. That looks good. We've got Bitcoin up 1.5%, looking good. That's a big bullish engulfing. Usually bullish engulfings, they happen here, like that one there. But continuation patterns, it's not bad. When you got buyers, it sold off in the morning and was bought back up throughout the day. So it sold off in the morning, bought back up throughout the day, looking good. That's good. We've got Ethereum up a teeny bit. That still looks bullish. There's nothing bearish there. Nothing bearish to see here. MicroStrategy up about 6% following the Bitcoin. Looking good. And then the VIX is controlled. We were down 0.13%. Looks like it was coming up throughout the day. Plunge protection team's doing its job. It's holding the volatility down. But that's all I've got for today, guys. So give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website. Special is the coupon code. We do have a 5 p.m. Mountain Time Sunday Q&A session coming up. If you're interested, that's where you can ask me whatever you'd like over a Zoom call. They are recorded and they are uploaded to the website, so you can see older ones and the most recent ones. It's all there, nothing to hide. All right, guys, that's all I've got for today. So we'll catch you next time. See you later.